singing sweet songs with the melody pure and true. Singing, this is my message.
That's my attorney right there.
Hello, Josephine. How do you?
All right, so here's one for you. I'm parked in back of my office over here. I'm done on a Friday afternoon. I'm leaving the office. I go to start my truck, and what happens? I hear a bang and there's smoke coming out from under my hood. And this is what happened here. The battery exploded. Who's ever heard of that happening? What's the deal with that? You ever wonder what the inside of a battery looks like? There you go. That's it. Get rid of all this battery acid, huh?
What are you doing?
Putting in another battery that I hope doesn't explode. But now I am afraid of batteries.
I mean, I walk away.
I'm definitely going to close the hood when I start it. Because that was actually scary. It was like a gunshot. It was like bang, and then like smoke started pouring out the sides. I opened up the hood. Battery was smoking. I didn't know what it was. I just heard an explosion, like a gunshot. And now I got battery acid all over the place. So, okay. Chloe, oh! Chloe, come on. Oh! Chloe, oh! Oh yeah, look at that. When you're turning into your apartment complex and you make the turn a little bit wide.
How much does she weigh?
I like you. You got a pretty mouth.
Ew, she got slobber on me.
I gotta put her down. She's heavy. Ah!
I don't know why it has those little things.
I don't know. She has moles on there. What are those moles? What is that? I don't know either. I mean, we should maybe cut them off.
That would hurt.
Ouch.
That would hurt.
You want to cut them off? Let me see.
Yeah,
I want to pinch it and see what she does.
Leave her alone.
She's probably gonna have
What
the
are
same
those
face.
things?
I don't know.
She needs to see a dermatologist.
She could probably. I bet you she'd sit there and watch a whole movie with you.
Oh, she loves attention. Oh, she's like, yeah, she's awesome. Haley with the devil eyes. Look. Haley.
Get away from me. Get away from me.
There you go. Is that a cop or what is that? Right there. We know that's a cop. What do they do?
When it's late at night, they race.
Really?
Yes,
Where? I want to go watch.
in any street.
Any street?
You want to have a threesome with Paul in the hot tub?
No.
You, Paul, and Mr. Bubble.
That's a threesome. You
That's
want to have a threesome?
that's a real threesome.
With this, yes.
Yes.
With Mr. Bubble.
Bubble, yeah.
With Mr. Bubble, we can have.
Pretty girl.
Cheese. There's a house there. next to a house there. Look at the difference. Check out that van. Look at that. Okay, we're going shopping. Let's see what they got there. 3M laminate with a UV protection.
It's not gonna fade on you.
Oh, I should get. How much are these anyway?
They're $2.50 with the bag.
Okay, so we decided is I'm gonna email him my logo, and he's gonna put the logo on there. Cool. Handmade Domino's tables also. Look at this.
This is one for the Puerto Rican coast.
Huh.
Here's a Dominican.
Hey, my logo will look good on there too.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Wow. Look at him. That's some mud park material right there. Look at that. Now there's a good place for an airplane, huh? Look at that. They're both looking at the horses. Look at them. Yeah, Chloe's ready to jump. We're in Christmas, Florida now. Check this out. A lot of people come here in December to get the stamp that says Christmas, Florida, and then they send it out. You want to come here in December?
And they had the Christmas tree and did some present already.
What? Who has Christmas trees?
They
Oh, they have Christmas trees?
already.
Oh, really?
Christmas and some presents.
Oh, I didn't see that. I didn't notice that. I'll have to look at the video. This is the First Christmas Baptist Church. Christmas, Florida.
And nice weather.
Fort Christmas
They
Museum.
have the Christmas.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I forgot about that. Yeah, they always have that there. Christmas. Look at that.
For the Christmas here.
What's that? It says something there too, Christmas? Christmas Mobile Home Park. Ooh, it's like a hurricane now. What's going on? Oh, yeah, Christmas. Oh, yeah.
Yes, we are facing the tornado.
Yeah, it got really windy all of a sudden. Look at him going home. He was coming back from this bar over here on the lawnmower.
Nice.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I'd be afraid to sleep in there if that thing caves in and you land in the alligators. We're in New Smyrna Beach, and this is the New Smyrna Beach campground. We're just looking to see maybe someplace that I can park my RV so we can come for the weekend. This guy's got a whole island over here. Look at this. Huh? This is the cutest right there. This is another RV park here. Look at this. And there she is. And there's one cutie. Where's the other cutie? There's two cuties. There they are. And then we're going into that restaurant over there later. Check out this place. Look, it's like a tree house. Yeah. Oh, it's called Tree House? Where? Oh, it is called the Tree House. You're right. That's funny. I didn't even notice that. That's cool, huh? It's cool. Look at this. I love this, right? Yeah. This is cool.
Good idea.
Right. Yeah. This would be cool in the backyard, something like this. It's bacon wrapped scallops.
This, my favorite.
Bacon wrapped scallops. Escargot, calamari, and shrimp. This is going to be the first time that Adriana's ever had snail. What do you think? Here, try it. You like it? Right, it's good, huh? Yummy. Look how well we did, but look, check this out. So they take pictures. They took a picture. Wait, focus. They took a picture of us here. Look at that. You look good. I look like okay.
I look tired.
Yeah, I don't know. You look better than I do.
I look tired.
That's cool. It's a cool place. Look at that. Okay, see, we should have sat over there. Look at that, right there. That could have been our seat. Yeah, we could have sat over here. You see that? Oh, you got to be 21 and over to go upstairs. Hold on, let me get a picture of you.
See, they are
Yeah. We made it upstairs. And look, Adriana noticed it's the same people that were at the Irish pub. By our house. Are playing over there. What? Yeah, Bobby Lance's party. Yeah.
I got some great news. My wife Cindy gets her life back.
At the voting thing, which unfortunately he lost.
But I want to tell you, we fought the fight. We came close, didn't quite make it.
But we'll have it next year, right?
Let's move forward. And I'll say, there's a candidate, a former commissioner in the room tonight. It took him 3 times, but he got it done because he's not a quitter. And I'm not a quitter.
But check it out. Look at this. I love it. What's that? Oh, no tree climbing. And the dogs are, the truck is on over there. And the dogs are in, you can see the lights on in the truck, but I left it on, they're sleeping.
Hello, who's the cutest thing in the world? You want to squish him? Well, thank you for remembering our little boyfriend. He's at home, you know. He can't reach the stove. He's there. Thank you, darling.
But check it out. They got their own little spot over there too. Look at that. Adriana likes the private little spot over there, huh?
Will be my favorite.
She wants that next time we come here.
Did you see the lady was mentioned us?
Yeah. Oh, she mentioned us?
Yeah, she said, I just saw some friends.
Oh, she said that? I wasn't really listening.
Campaign.
Uh-huh.
Did you see
Oh, yeah.
in a plain color like this?
We have something in the house that she wants to paint and put outside, that
But
color.
I still need to decide one color.
Beach, golf carts are legal on the street here. You see that? He's got a license plate on his. So we can bring my we can bring my implement of husbandry here. Stopped at Aldi's and got the dogs for us too. Got the dogs something to eat. And look what's going on over here.
The spoiled Haley.
Yeah, look, she
Want to
smells
be?
it. That's for you.
You want to be?
Yum. Haley, you get yours next. Wait, relax, Haley. Haley, look here. Look, yum. Okay.
I'm going to just,
That's okay.
Mix them.
Yummy. Look at that.